Mazda vehicle production will end in December 2023, paving the way for the arrival of the all-new Mazda CX-80. But don't worry, because sales of the Mazda CX-8 will continue, and remaining stock will be available to purchase throughout 2024. Mazda will launch a new 3-row crossover, a long wheelbase version of the CX-80. This model is similar to the American CX-90, although slightly smaller, and can accommodate up to 7 passengers in its 3-row configuration. The first spy photos of the year provide a glimpse of what to expect. The design of the CX-80 is familiar because it is very similar to the CX-60. We have provided image renderings for you to review. Please let us know what you think about it. When it comes to engines, you can choose between a mild hybrid inline-4 with 322 horsepower, a 3.3-liter inline-6 turbo diesel, or an upgraded version of the engine found in the American CX-90, which produces 340 horsepower. The CX-80 will be officially announced in the coming months, and we expect deliveries to begin in mid-2024. Thanks for joining, and be sure to subscribe. See you in the next update.